Hello, this is Kate Hughes from FTC 20182, Luna Text. Today I will be going over how to design a CAD model of an FTC robot sign in Autodesk Fusion. For the 2024-25 season, First Technical Challenge has changed the method on how team identifies their robots. This is covered under Section 12 and Rule 4. For our CAD design, we will focus on subsection 4, Rule 1, or R401. Our design for our sign will be at a robust material. We choose 3D printed TPU, minimally be 6.5 inches wide, but ours will be wider because of our numbers. Minimally be 2.5 inches tall. Be supported by the structure or frame of the robot. We chose to use screw holes for ours. Another rule we will refer to is R403, which reads, the numbers must be a minimal of 2 inches in height, with a 1/4 inch border surrounding the numbers. With that information in mind, let's get started. First, we're going to create our sketch. I'm going to choose the bottom face, but you can choose whichever face you want to use. Next, you're going to want to go over here to Document Settings and Units. Make sure that it's in the right unit that you need it to be. I'm going to have mine in inches, but you might be working in millimeters. Next, after that, we're going to go to Create. We're going to go to Text. I'm going to go make a box. In this sample text, we're going to put our number for our robot. Then we're going to put the height as 2. Now, the letters are going to be very big, but now we're just going to put a box around them, like that. And go back to Create and hit Sketch Dimensions. This is how we can make the box as big as we need it, but without having to do it in the beginning. Then, see how that is not high enough? You need to make it so it's high enough. So we'll have to change those numbers. My height is around 350, not 250. When you're done with the sketch, hit Finish Sketch up here with the green button. After that, you want to press the numbers so we can extrude them. I'm going to extrude my numbers 0.50. If you accidentally hit Enter like me, all you have to go into is Sketches. Since we have the box and the numbers on the same sketch, we just have to press the box again and hit Extrude. Now I'm going to put my box as 0.20. Once you're done extruding the plate and the numbers, we're going to go back and create a new sketch. Then we're going to go on the bottom face, and we're going to go to Create and get a point. These points are going to help us mark out where we're going to place our holes, and they help figure out how to make everything even and straight. Perfect. After you're done making the 4 holes, you can finish the sketch. After the 4 points, we're going to by Create and click Hole. Now you're able to press on the points and you have it so the hole is hooked on the point. Now I'm going to put my hole as 0.30, but your bolts might be different. So make the hole specified to your bolts. Now you've built your very own plate for your robot. I hope this helped you navigate Fusion and to create the plate. Thank you for watching.